Good morning, children. This is Shubal sir speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter that is chapter 7. It's about patterns, and we are almost at the end of this chapter. And here we are going to have a discussion on last two pages of this particular chapter. That is about smart adding. So, children, from here in this video, we'll have a discussion on the patterns when we add some numbers, how the numbers they are comes under pattern. This is what we will have a discussion in this video right now. So, children, here the patterns is about if we add the numbers like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Children, what am I doing? I'm just adding the numbers right from starting from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If we add up this number, the sum of all these digits, which are consecutive numbers starting from 1 till 10, will be added up to 55. They will be giving the result of 55. Okay, so now you might be thinking that then what is the pattern over here? Yes, children, the patterns are coming. Just wait for a while. Let's add the next series of numbers, getting started from 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20. Children, if you add up these numbers, you might have seen all these numbers. If you add 10 10 10 10 with all these numbers are coming. If you add 10 with 1, 11 comes. If you add 10 with 2, 12 comes. If you add 10 with 3, 13 comes. If you add 10 with 4, 14 comes. Like till 20 we have to add up. And the interesting fact is the total sum of these numbers will be 155. What happened over here? Before it was 55 when we were adding the numbers right from 1 till 10, and here what happened? Just 100 added more with 55, which is giving 155. The next numbers are starting from 21 plus 22 plus 23 plus 24 till, if you add the number till the number 30, the sum of this number will be, what will be the number, children? Just like the previous one, if you add 10 with 11, 21 comes. If you add 10 with 12, 22 comes. If you add 10 with 13, 23 comes. If you add 10 with 14, 24 comes. Like till 30 we have to add up, and the interesting fact is it will be 100 more than 155, will be 255. Yes or no, children? So children, what is happening over here? Before it was 55, then 100 added with it, it became 155, then 100 added with it, it became 255. This way we can add up the numbers. So children, if you look at the next patterns, it is quite obvious. The sum will be 355. This one, the third one will be 355. Fourth one will be 455. Fifth one is 555, and the last one will be 655. Because what's happening over here, in every rows, we're adding 10 with each numbers. 10 is getting added with each numbers. That is why it is becoming 100 more in every rows. Means 100 is getting increased in every rows. Yes or no, children? The next one is fun with odd numbers. Children, what is the fact of it? If you add 1 plus 3, it becomes 4. Yes or no? Suppose if I am adding 1 plus 3, these are two consecutive odd numbers. What comes? 4. And 4 is the product of two even numbers. That's 2 into 2. Yes or no? Or we can say 2 into 2 results 4. The next odd number is 1 plus 3. If I add 5 with it, which is the next odd number after, right after 3, it is 9. 9 is a product of 3 into 3. So children, what is happening over here? Before it was 2 into 2, now it is 3 into 3. Next odd number, if we add 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, it becomes 12 plus 2, 15 plus 1, 16. 16 is the product of, which number will be the product of 16? 4 into 4, because after 3 the next consecutive number is 4. Let us add the next odd number, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. It will be how much, children? It will be 25. 25 will be the product of 5 into 5. So children, this way it will be continued. There is no limit. Means as you will be increasing the number of odd numbers, the next one will be 36. I guarantee the next one will be 36 because it is a product of 6 into 6. Isn't it interesting, children? Yes, it was really very interesting. Now the secret number. Now the pattern of secret number. It's a very interesting thing, children. How to deal with this secret number? They have already told us, and we have to just imagine some number. The clues are given. What is a clue? It is larger than the half of 100. Acha. What is the half of 100, children? Half of 100 is 50. So something I will imagine which is more than 50. Okay, which is greater than 50. So it may be, it is starting from 51. It can be any number. Next clue is, it is more than 6 tens but lesser than 7 tens. Acha. It is more than 6 tens, means 6 tens are 60 and 7 tens are 70. So the number is more than 60 and lesser than 70. So it is obviously coming between 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So it can be any one of these numbers. As the number is told that more than 6 tenths, more than 60 but lesser than 7 tenths means lesser than 70. So it can be any of these numbers. I don't know which one is that. So I have to go for like the next clue. The next clue is about the tens digit is 1 more than the ones digit. So children, tens digit is 1 more than the ones digit. So if I write, suppose children, 65, 5 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place. So 6, the number which is in the tens place, is 1 more than, it's 1 more than ones number, means it is 65. So see children, the number is 65. I believe it's clear to everyone. Now your part of job will be to deal with the next one. You have to find the next secret number. This is what I'm asking you to solve, and you will submit the work in the Google Classroom. You will try this out in your classwork copy and you will submit this work in the Google Classroom. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.